Welcome to Digital Money Tools. In this video, we're going to explore 10 powerful digital tools that can help you save, manage, and even earn money smarter in 2026. Whether you want to track your spending, automate savings, find investment options, or use technology to simplify your finances, this guide is for you. We'll break down each tool, explain how it works, and show you why it's useful. We'll also give real examples of the tools you can use right now. No finance degree required, so make sure to watch till the end, because tool number 10 might be the most surprising one. If you're serious about improving your financial life using technology, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's begin. Number 1. Mint 2.0 Smart Budgeting Tool. A smart budgeting app that connects with your bank accounts and automatically categorizes your spending. Mint shows how much you can spend, how much you should save, and where you may be overspending. In 2025 and 2026, Mint uses predictive tools to forecast your monthly cash flow and can warn you before overspending. It also tracks subscriptions, suggests cheaper alternatives, and sends alerts for upcoming bills. This makes budgeting automatic instead of something you have to think about every day. Tool number 2, YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. YNAB teaches you a budgeting philosophy. Every dollar you have should have a job, whether that's saving, spending, or investing. It's especially great for goal-oriented budgeting and breaking bad spending habits. YNAB helps you focus on long-term financial health rather than short-term spending. Tool number 3, Acorns, a unique app that rounds up your everyday purchases and invests the spare change. For example, if you buy coffee for $4.70, Acorns rounds it up to $5 and invests the extra 30 cents. Over time, these small investments can grow into something meaningful, even if you don't consider yourself an expert. It's a beginner-friendly way to start investing with low effort. Number 4, Digit, an AI-powered savings app that studies your income and spending patterns. It automatically transfers small amounts into your savings based on what you can afford. Digit makes saving money effortless by automating it without daily thinking. This approach turns saving into a consistent habit for many people. Number 5, Rocket Money, an app that helps you find and cancel unwanted subscriptions, tracks recurring bills, and even negotiates savings for you. It's more than a budgeting tool. Rocket Money helps reduce unnecessary spending and improves your monthly cash flow. This makes managing subscriptions much easier and less stressful. Tool. Number 6, MoneyWiz, a full money management app that tracks income, expenses, and budgets in one place. It also lets you schedule payments and generate easy-to-read financial reports. MoneyWiz gives you a clear, organized view of your money so you never feel lost with spending or bills. Number 7, Pocketbook, a simple personal finance app that links your bank accounts and helps plan budgets easily. It's perfect for beginners who want straightforward spending and bill tracking without complex features. Pocketbook keeps things simple and easy to understand. Tool number 8, cashback and rewards apps that help you earn extra money from everyday purchases. Examples include Cash App, which lets you send and receive money, invest, and earn rewards on daily spending. These apps provide additional value like cashback on groceries, fuel, or online shopping, making your money go further. Tool number 9, financial learning platforms. Understanding financial basics like budgeting, saving, and investing makes all other tools more effective. Learning platforms help you build financial knowledge that translates into smarter decisions and better use of digital tools. Tool. Number 10, AI-powered money insight tools. These tools use artificial intelligence to analyze your financial data, help with planning, and give personalized suggestions, like what to improve in your spending or savings. As AI evolves, tools that provide insight and automation are becoming essential for personal finance. So these were the top 10 digital tools that can help you save money, track your finances, and grow smarter with money in 2026. Remember, technology alone doesn't make you rich, but it makes financial planning simple and manageable. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more digital money tips every week. Comment below. Which tool are you going to try first? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.